Let's fix this issue without wasting any time. I will show you how to split screen in Fortnite PS5. The first step what you have to do is simply press PS5 button from the controller and now select home. Once we are here, we need to press option button from the controller again on the game and select close the game. Now simply choose setting, then choose user and account and select other option on the right side. Choose restore license and select restore. This will take up to 4 to 5 seconds to complete this process. It is really, it temporary to fix. Now you just go back to the main screen on the top side, select your profile and select switch user. So what you have to do, we need to select the other account that you have instead to use for a second player. And for example, I am going to use this account. I will sign into and I will put two of Fortnite, and we will complete that boot process answering all the question when you now booting up for the first time by adding the account or skipping linking processes or by adding p dot. So once you have done this on the second account, so we need to just go back the first player account, then simply press ps button by the other the second controller. Now you will know small screen pop up screen. Then what you have to do, you need to just select the second account, and that is guys your problem will be fixed. That is command